This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, fire damaged, and they're asking $199,900. Right, this is in Fort Lauderdale. It's a fire damaged home. Needs new air conditioning. Bathroom needs renovated. You can see some of the fire damage here. Window. There you can see fire damage. It's pretty bad. This is one of the bedrooms. Got one window to replace. 2 windows to replace. Yeah, this is in very bad shape. Looks like it needs maybe 5 or 6 trusses. Maybe 3/4 or half of the sheathing needs to be replaced. But this is all gone. All of the duct work will need to be redone. All the insulation, all the wiring up here is all melted. Bedroom number 2. It's pretty decent size, good layout. This is just smoke damage in here. Meter's been pulled. You can see all the fascias completely burnt out.
It's probably in there.
Huh?
It's probably in
In
there.
that room? I think that shed is in better shape than the house. So 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,028 square feet in Fort Lauderdale. How much do we offer?